Oh, I'm sorry. See? Fight for my love. Oh my goodness.
Frothing with excitement.
What, you feed them? I don't know. Well, I have one more quarter too. We can always I can get more change if we need it.
Nicholas, what are you feeding?
It's awesome. They all just flock to one spot.
What are the animals?
What are you feeding? Are they polar bears? Are you feeding polar bears?
Yeah.
What are they?
I'm gonna feed some to the big ones, so I'm just...
Don't step up there, babe. Babe, don't get on there.
Just keep off.
The fish are bigger up there.
Oh, maybe the other side. All right, let's go to the other side.
Find a really big crowd.
Alpha trout.
The alpha trout.
Nicholas, you want to stand here and feed them through that real quick? What do you say? Fight for my love.
Do you want a few more?
Yes, please.
Don't take them all. Some of them are for Nicholas.
And I need...
And Benjamin.
I'm gonna feed them slowly this time, though.
Okay. Good plan.
Oh, Eli, you don't need more.
Okay, that's enough.
I need...
That's enough.
There.
All right. Mommy, here's a few more for Nicholas.
Fight.
You want me to put them in your other hand?
Hold on.
7.
Dad, wouldn't this place be one of the best places to live if you were homeless? Because you can just, because you get endless fish every night.
Well,
Like,
yeah.
I understand. I understand that it's gonna be hard to cook them.
So awesome when they fight.
But if you live here, you get endless trout.
Look at all those trout.
Alright, you wanna feed the rest? You wanna go find some different ones? You want the little ones?
Find some more big ones.
More big ones?
I think these are the big ones.
Find some more big ones.
Okay, let's walk in there and see what we can see.
Let's find out what we find.
Yeah, no, and then I just dive into the water and I open my mouth really wide and I just swallow up all the fishies. Wow.
Hey, Nicholas, come this way.
Okay, that's nice. Look, there's some big ones over there.
We'll be able to see the better ones.
What direction do you go on? You go that way? are luxury boats. I'm assuming a fish just ran into that or something.
Do you see these over here?
That would actually be really creepy if that was a fish that made that loud of noise.
Look over here at these big boats across the
What are you doing, Nicholas? Are you steering the boat?
You want to ride?
You want to ride, he said.
You want to ride? You want to ride? You want to ride?
I'm just gonna stand right here. Looks like Babu's gonna ride.
I don't think that's this boat.
You need to ride that, Mommy. You need to ride, Mommy. You need to ride, Mommy. You need to ride, Mommy.
Okay, you can give me a ride. Give me a ride.
Okay. What's this?
I feel so like such a bad person. Right now.